Alright y'all, we are at the halfway point, round 3, and we're starting off with a chain 2. And then I'm going to work a double crochet in the same spot as my chain 2. After this double crochet, I'm going to work 3 more double crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. This is my first double crochet. Now my second one. And my third double crochet is going to be in the double crochet from the previous round that I worked in the chain 1 space. And going back to my stitch diagram, because it's a little bit clearer, I've got the arrow pointed at the third double crochet, and if you look right below it, it's worked in the double crochet from round 2 that was worked in the chain 1 space from round 1. So I've worked my first section across the north side, and now I am working my corner increase, and I'm doing a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the chain 1 space from the previous round. Now I'm getting ready to work my 5 double crochets across the west side of my panel. And I'm slowing this down so you can see exactly where to put your hook for that first double crochet. And here you can see I am inserting my hook into the chain space of the double crochet immediately after my chain 1 space from the previous round. Finishing 1 out of 5 double crochets here. Then doing the second. Third. Before I finish up the 4th and 5th double crochets, let's jump over to the stitch diagram to clarify the placement. Bringing back my trusty stitch diagram, I've got the arrow pointed at the 5th double crochet you're going to work, and you're going to work it in the stitch that the arrow's pointing at, the first double crochet in round 2 that was worked in the chain 1 space from the previous round. Now doing my 4th double crochet, working my 5th double crochet and slowing it down. You can see I'm inserting my hook into the first double crochet that was worked in the chain 1 space from the previous round. So I've just finished the west side grouping of stitches, and I am working my increases into the chain 1 space from round 2, doing my double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And after I finish this, I do another 5 double crochets in the next 5 stitches, working the south edge of my panel. Working double crochet 1 out of 5 on the south edge. Now my second double crochet, third, fourth, and now my 5th double crochet. And just pausing here so you can see how that 5th double crochet is worked into that first double crochet from round 2 that was worked in the chain 1 space from round 1. And now that I've finished the 5 double crochets on the south side of my panel, I'm now working my 3rd corner increase, the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And now I'm ready to work my 5 double crochets on the east side of my panel. My first double crochet, my second double crochet, third, fourth, my fifth and final double crochet, and like before, it's worked into the first double crochet of the corner increase that was done in the previous round. And now I'm ready to work my last corner increase of round 3, doing my double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the 4th corner. And as you can see, as I'm stretching this granny square out, I've rounded my 4th corner and I'm back on the north side, and I have 1 more double crochet to work before I slip stitch this round closed. Not counting my corner increase stitches, and remember we're on the north side, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and remember your chain 2 and your first double crochet of the round are considered 1 stitch, and then your 5th stitch is going to be crocheted at the end of the round, followed by a slip stitch. Doing my 5th double crochet, and now finishing off my round by doing a slip stitch into the chain space of the first double crochet of the round. And here you can see the square shape of the pouch panel coming together. Starting on round 4 with my chain 2, working my first double crochet into the base of my chain 2, and then double crocheting in the next 4 stitches. First double crochet, second, third, fourth, and now I work my corner increase, which is the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the chain space from round 3. Now we're on the west side of our panel, and I'm going to work 7 double crochets across the next 7 stitches and then work a corner increase. First double crochet, second double crochet, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th double crochet, and again this is worked in the first double crochet of the corner increase done in the previous round. And now I'm ready to work my corner increase in the chain 1 space from the previous round, which is the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And now starting on the south side of my panel, I am going to do 7 double crochets in the next 7 stitches and then work my corner increase in the previous chain 1 space from round 3. Now working double crochet number 7, and then after this I do my corner increase in the chain 1 space from the previous row. And now I'm beginning the east side of my panel, working my 7 double crochets in the next 7 stitches. Working double crochet number 7, and now I'm ready to do my 4th corner of the 4th round, my double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the previous chain 1 space from round 3. Okay, to finish this off, y'all know I love my charts, so going back to our stitch diagram and our print instructions, they say to work 2 more double crochets in the next 2 stitches before we close off this round with a slip stitch. And you can see that the first double crochet is being worked in the 2nd double crochet from the corner increase of the previous round. And slowing it down so you can see where to put the hook. Working my final double crochet of round 4. And then working my slip stitch into the chain space of the first double crochet of the round. And look how cute our little pouch panel is looking. We only have 2 more rounds to go, and then we will work the navy blue panel. Meet me in the next video where we will cover rows 5 and 6.